Hello students and welcome to the lecture on rank based selection. The 17th lecture in the lecture series for the course of Introduction to Soft Computing for the Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering students of the 7th semester Goa College of Engineering. I am Ms. Purti Savardekar, the faculty in charge for this course. In the last lecture, we discussed and understood the tournament selection technique. In today's lecture, we will focus our attention to the next selection technique, the rank-based selection technique. So let us begin. The rank-based selection technique also tries to solve the problem of fitness proportionality selection. If only higher fitness individuals get selected, possibly a peak will be reached very rapidly, but it may not be the global optimum. We need to have maybe a comparatively slower convergence, but towards a globally optimal solution. Therefore, we want to avoid the proportionality of selection to the fitness of the individual. It is as if we want to reduce the effect of high fitness and increase the effect of low fitness on the roulette wheel probability distribution. Rank-based selection does this pretty neatly. It converts a fitness-based, non-uniform probability distribution on the wheel into a rank-based uniform distribution. Let us understand this with the help of the same example that we had considered when we studied the roulette wheel selection technique. In this example, we have considered 6 individuals A, B, C, D, E and F, each with their respective fitness values 8.2, 3.2, 1.4, 1.2, 4.2 and 0.3. The roulette wheel then is designed in a way that the pocket for each individual is proportional to their fitness. Obviously, individual A with the fitness value 8.2 gets the largest pocket and the individual F with the fitness value of 0.3 gets the smallest pocket. The sum of the fitness values is 18.5. 8.2 is 44.32% of 18.5, 3.2 is 17.30% of 18.5, 1.4 is 7.57% of 18.5, 1.2 is 6.49% of 18.5, 4.2 is 22.70% of 18.5 and 0.3 is 1.62% of 18.5. The individual pockets then occupy that respective percentage of area on the roulette wheel. The wheel then looks like this. Now, let us consider rank-based selection method. Let us perform a step of ranking the individuals based on their fitness value from 1 to n, capital N. Where rank 1 is given to, note carefully, rank 1 is given to the lowest fitness individual, and rank n, which is the total size of the population n, is given to the highest fitness individual. So in our example, capital N is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, 6. A gets the rank 6. E gets the rank 5. B gets the rank 4, C gets the rank 3, D gets the rank 2 and F gets the rank 1. Now we have to calculate the area or the probability. The total sum of ranks is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 equals 21. The lowest fitness individual F deserves 1 share out of 21 divisions. That gives F 4.7% area on the wheel. The next higher fitness individual D gets 2 out of 21, that is 9.5%. C deserves 3 out of 21, that's 14.2%. B deserves 4 out of 21 divisions, that is 19.04%. Then E gets 5 divisions out of 21, that's 23.8%. And A gets 6 divisions out of 21, that is 28.57%. This gives us the percentage of area for each individual on the roulette wheel. The wheel then looks like this. Pause the video for a minute or two and observe how rank selection has improved the probabilities of the population to be selected to eventually move towards a globally optimum solution. A was previously enjoying all the privilege and hijacking the wheel and eating up maximum opportunities of getting selected. But now it has been tamed down to 28.57%. Whereas all the other individuals who are fighting hard for whatever remained are now a little more comfortable, and the opportunities they get will be a little more comparable with others. Still, even after this redistribution, fitter individuals like A, E and B have a higher chances of getting selected, and weaker individuals like D and F have still comparatively lower chances of getting selected. Once this distribution is done, the procedure remains the same as the roulette wheel. We rotate the wheel and the pointer stops at a random location on the wheel. The individual in whose area the pointer points is the individual that is selected. So if the procedure of rank-based selection is clear, the pseudocode is also very simple to write. So let us do that. Let R be any random number between 0 and 1. R be a random number between 0 and 1. Let S be initialized to 0, which is going to act like the counter. For every individual P in population capital P, do S equals S plus RB probability. RB is rank based probability into bracket small p. If S is greater than equal to R, if you realize that at any point in this loop, if S becomes greater than R, then return that P. The only change in this pseudocode, if you observe, is that instead of using the fitness directly, instead of using FIT, fit into bracket P, we have used RB, PORB, RB probability, the rank based probability of P. We have used the rank based probability for rotation of the wheel. So I hope the content that was covered in this video was clear. Let us now continue this discussion in the live Google Meet. See you there. Thank you.